Yes.
If we dey come carry your Bible, if we dey come walk, we dey carry juju, and we don't start with Achere. How many of them don't come?
They are finished.
Point of correction. Now we don't give that one at the back.
Now we do anything. Hold us responsible.
Yes.
Anything will happen. Hold us.
No.
Hold us. We are proud of you.
Do for my mouth. Do for my mouth. If
I think on our son I want to crusade for Tiger Bay. You do not hold. You do not hold. The crusade. I ain't hearing no code.
Yes.
That crusade one I want to do for Tiger Bay. No go work.
How can you hold crusade? That place na church. You can.
Honestly, was that from that video on nature? That video with police. Yeah, police people they in charge of Tiger Base. They go to the police in police. I am still calling for the reform of Nigerian police. No Nigerian police, yeah, about retired, they behave can they retired courts. How behave can they court retire go na court imagiko wa kuna ha everything or boss no have lazy opportunity what a punishment on 1 or 2 mabuze police don't know they when na commit incapable crime. Modern na una police. Modern can the police in able. And will he hand them one happen in an area like this or they can say na yena was yago. I have one car again. I have this video in the chat. I say get define noya. I have one car again. You as a person, you not drive no zone happen. This type of people kusigi. Iya ha boss say non do shidi ya. Politicians side may travel outside. Also have no special forces. Special forces are the be rough can there. I na up. I na film. I na for people name travel abata. I na for can the police. There are some police nobody bona rebuwe. Manankai every police officer is entitled to ebwe. There is a minimum requirement you can see no as a policeman. Nka na de make it a kamane the mentally stable before able big. Most of these guys are not mentally stable. Most of them will end up no be web our police. Like this people kulukwa kita. Obulu no nya kita kulukwa mwetege as a Christian education no mambo ngi no ya sege sene ibo bandit. Just na police na mepono. Also kwa bulu in a moment and along cause or ni Christian. You don't have right to infuse your religion belief in serving the public. Imam me so that case bialege kede neutral. So that only here be telling kede neutral about it man can nothing everybody in me behave ki hamba logwa ones. It's so sad na ndị buy na don't now watch ihe na maybe. These people now can I keep repeating these people kusigi n'ụzọ asking the police stop and search. Will you stop? Most of them they can onwe dị iche na ndị oji egbe eje because they don't dress like police, they don't look like police, they don't even look like anything that has to do with Nigerian force. Or no moral criteria keep action or no moral criteria people meet up of people's appearance that can define that these people are police. Also kwa yabona hano special squad, also kwa yabona special yamwana, also kwa yabona anti-nke mwana anti-cause wana hafi una sena nka abo special nka anti-nka mana all of them do not ke ba chikota rice n'ime okute wuko yono mogoto ono ko yono ibote okute aja ibote rice ibote gari wuko yono. That is how these people behave. I don't know if they mama nke rice mama nke okute mama nke gari. Advertise say citizens I no n'ime biko no bịa ka anyị tụchasịa na rice dị n'ime gari dị n'ime okute a na-atụchi a na-atụbatakwa okute n'ime rice ahụ. This is act of wickedness. Nigerian police, go and reform your people. Give Nigerians hope to believe in the system called police force again. In a video of police in 1956, 1960, 1970s and 80s, on a joy. In any police sign by what a independent of on a joy before you change their uniform to black on a joy. One last kick like the news of traffic orders. They are no longer everybody is black band well is here and Roger na on. Then Kita Harrison na jega. police gbabulu mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na police herself not so the only policeman no there. The other two na-enyere aka na that operation are civilians. What is police doing with civilians? The same thing ka mgbe case ha na-post mgbe Okozo SARS. What is police doing with civilians? That boy will NYSC member. Ha kpọrọ ya kpọkọta ha n'ime a na-agatakọ ihe nwana a na-apịtọkọ na-ezuzukọta ihe ọnụ. It is unfair. I will like no why go on why is as for me bụ mmadụ this people kwụsị m n'ụzọ as a stop and search. I will not stop for them. Go and reform your people. Onye sizi ebe uso kwa uniform yilo onye si ebe uso gote ọkara ka obie ya NPF Nigerian Police Force na ahụ oyilo chile jacket ndị director yilo chile jacket ndị EFCC yilo na ahụ onewu na afio everybody bụ egbe no train no reform no mental rehabilitation nothing no medically onye police kịta agba onye police for ebe onye oshigbalo civilian na egbe kedu medical experience onwe in order to stop the bleeding first before ejebe n'ọgwụ. Can they even do first aid treatment? Police pụta for ebe nwatakịrị na-echoke now ihe na-echoke ọ na nwatakịrị. Can that policeman know what to do? I na-enene film for na okay ndị police agbagodo mmadụ egbe they can be able to give the person first aid first. Mana nke anyị nothing ndị nwa na-ebili egbe ebi nothing onwere adị nwa police aṅụcha nkwụ na-adagharị. Police na-esi izi igbo enwetara n'aka boys pụta ha ele ya said igbo. Nothing. Police they don't even care about anything, but it's so sad that I am a top bloggers and that are supposed to lend their voice in this thing. Yeah, we recommend Tiger Base. I'm on case Tiger Base abido. Mayor, and I say, hey, natural gas a Tiger Base, not those nanda, natural gas a Tiger Base. Man, police see Tiger Base in Kuno. Look at what they are saying. I don't know ye made this video. I'm on Bobo, man. I just saw it of recent. If these people are still part of the police, then the Nigerian Inspector General of Police and the IGP of that location should be ashamed of themselves to call these people one of their own. Because even in a hospital, psychiatric hospital, these people should be on emergency. Or when these people in a psychiatric hospital, they should be on emergency. And we cannot about emergency whereby that if you cannot move, they have a way to transporting you to that place as long as you want a treatment. That is what emergency is all about. That is what emergency is all about. This type of people you boom mothers junior and a shallow grave. Like these people, no, they are not worthy to be called the Nigerian police force. Nigerian police force need the reform. They should reform you people. They should reform you people. You need the mental evaluation. You guys need mental evaluation first. If you character ban, because people don't even have character to truly justify Nigerians and to tell Nigerians they can trust in you people again. The trust has been broken. The relationship between you and Nigerians has been scattered by the bad eggs in the police force today. I am Chokankwe. This is unacceptable and they should do something about this video. God